Alright. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start working on the front bumper. I have it right here. I need to get all the grill parts in together. And actually there's a lot of parts. I got them all laid out right here. It's basically a puzzle. Doesn't look too bad, but at the same time I don't want to put in the wrong part first and then have to take it off with the other part on. So it's going to be fun, but I got a lot of parts. Let's get it done. Fog lights, grills. Some more plastic trim pieces. And check out this front lip. Man. Massive. It looks great. That was very hard to find. OEM front lip for the R. It's unique. Alright, let's do it. So it's pretty cool. They got these clearance holes in the bottom of the bumper, so they have room to put in screws. Pretty nice. Good system. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Make sure it's all secure, locked down. Get it done. Yeah, this thing's very secure. I mean, makes sense if you're going high speeds, you don't want your lip to fall off. There's probably like 50 bolts in this thing, but hey, that's what it takes for a front bumper to be secure. Let's do it. Before I put the front bumper on, I actually forgot to put these support brackets on. Basically the radiator support connects down to the rebar. I guess just more sturdy. Haven't seen it before, but yeah, that makes sense. So I gotta get this on, and then I can start working on the front bumper to get that on. All right. Figure it out. That feels really good, nice and secure. So basically, the top piece right there, fold it down to the rebar, so nice and secure. All right, now we can keep going. Working on this bumper, but this piece got some scratches on it, some scuffs, and this side's actually missing. So we went ahead and ordered them from the dealer, both sides. But man, these things are $100 a piece. Yeah, nice car, nice prices. But let's go ahead and get that on, and then I'll be ready to put the front bumper on. All right. Got the front bumper on, so I'm gonna work on all the other stuff. Gotta get the mirror on, put the door panel back together, and then work onto the inside. Man, this mirror is tricky. Just get that plug to go in, and even that 10 is just, gotta get it from this side. Oh well, we'll get it. So now I got this nut on, I gotta get these 2 bolts in. I already got the connection plugged in. So, go ahead and get it done. Alright, got the door panels on, the mirrors look good, happy about that. There's my clock spring, let's go ahead and get that opened and mounted. Let's do it. Look at that, finally. Driver wheel bag's back in. I'm gonna take it off. At the same time, I'm gonna wait till I'm finished with the car, then take it off. It looks really good. All right, got that installed. Now I'm gonna move on to the driver seat belt. That's the tensioner that deployed. So let's get that in there. There we go. That's the tensioner, goes down the bottom, I don't know if you can see it or not. It goes right there. Seatbelt bolts up right here and up there. Put those plastics back in. Alrighty, got the plastics back in. Looks great. It's time to work on that airbag module, but before I do anything like that, I have to make sure to unplug the battery. That's definitely, before I do anything with airbags, unplug the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Just gonna show you the inside, looks good. Get that module back in, it's been cleared. And hopefully my airbag light goes away. Let's do it. All right, got the module in. Just put the power back onto it. Let's check out our airbag light. Airbag light's still on, but that's fine. Let's hook up the scan tool and see what's going on. All right, here we go. Had a couple codes, cleared them. Everything looks great, passed, no faults. Let's try it again. And my battery died. 1 second. All right, take 3. Here we go. Well, airbag light's still on, so let's see what's going on. Looks like I got a lot of codes. Oh boy, let's figure it out. So I'm getting a code for the collapsible steering column sensor. I YouTubed how to get it out, and it's basically inside the steering column, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the steering column out, try to get that sensor replaced. All right, let's go. Pretty sure I have to either take out the cluster or the steering wheel column, so I don't know what's easier, but I gotta get this replaced. I got me a new one. Let's just try something. All right, after taking basically everything apart, there it is. I'm gonna take this off, and there's my little sensor I need to replace. Almost there. All right, let's see if that helped anything. Airbag light's still on. Let's find out why. I'll put it all back together. Still nothing. I'm gonna have to take it to the airbag specialist guy, drop it off, see what he could look at it, plug it into the computer, see what's going on. I've done as much as I could do, but still got that airbag light on. Figure it out. Step by step. Coming together. Just gotta finish up the other small stuff. Side skirt, fender liner. And then we still need that rim, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do about that, but do what I can with what I have. Let's keep going. All right guys, it's coming together. We finally got it on the road. So what we did is we got an aftermarket aluminum rim. Just
pretty much a replica.
Yeah. It looks just like it, but it'll be our spare. Because honestly, we still cannot find a carbon fiber rim. So guys, we checked out that other website. Somebody emailed us that they knew they have a rim, but didn't get back to us. We're still kind of desperate. We cannot find a carbon fiber rim, but we do want to put an original factory carbon fiber rim on here to make it, match the other three for sure. So if you know somebody that has one or know where we can get one, let us know. Hopefully less than $4,000. That'd be great.
Also, you guys, are we doing a giveaway, Michael?
Of course we're doing a giveaway. We're getting closer. That's it. This car's wrapping up. Still got little things to do. We're debating about the stripes. We don't know if we want to put it back on or take the tops off. I kind of want to put it back on. The little red pinstripe that we know it's an R. I think they look really good. Got to put the fender liners on. There's still little things we need to finish up, but it's coming together. So let's go inside, find our winner. Until next time. All right guys, so we had a lot of progress and super happy about it. Finally got it on the road. Obviously we still have little things to do, but it's moving forward. I mean, this 350R is gonna be on the road soon and can't wait. Take it for a test drive, go to the mountains or something. It's gonna be fun. So it's time for our giveaway. I think this time we're gonna go for the Shelby Snake. It was pretty cool. All right. So if you're the winner, you guys, make sure you claim your prize because there's only 2 weeks you have to claim it, then it expires because there's a lot going on and it's hard to keep up with. So that'd be great if you let us know. Call out your name, go ahead and email us or tell your buddies that they won, whatever's going on. Make sure you claim your prize. It's free. All right, so we have 300 comments. We're gonna find our winner. We're just gonna do one winner this time. 3, 2, 1. Ramiro Garcia. Hey, perfect. Mustang gt350R looks awesome. Congratulations, you win the sign. Go ahead and email us information and we'll try to get that out to you as soon as possible. All right guys, till next time.